These are good Cubans, Mr. President. But we have a problem with Al Capone.
Is that so?
Oh, President. Hello, Mr. President?
Elliot? We need your help!
I'll be right down.
Dear Jesus! Knock before you come in, you little rats!
Should I come back at a better time?
Well, that would be opportune, but why don't you just have a seat? Yes? I just move them over. Yeah, just lay them down. Over there. Still to the gills. Well, Elliot, tell me what's the progress with the Untouchables? What's your secret weapon? I've heard all about it.
Well, we have these new syphilis-tipped bullets.
Syphilis tip bullets. I want to eat one.
That would be a bad idea. Syphilis, you get it, you go blind, and you gradually die.
Oh, that's bad.
I could shoot a beer smuggler in the hand, and he would die.
That's good. I need you to grab this guy, Al Capone.
Capone, I hear he's pretty tough.
He's a toughie. He likes to smoke,
Well,
which is bad.
smoking, well, everybody likes to smoke. It's the alcohol that'll get you. What is that,
Oh.
sir?
It's just a thing of the past, young man. But I need you to gather up the Untouchables.
I'll get them together, and I need a shipment of those syphilis
I need
bullets.
you to get a shipment of the Untouchables into Chicago City, the city of Chicago.
When I'm done, the whole city will have syphilis.
Oh, joy. You got Dear Jesus. Wake up.
Glass shards. Beer.
Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. And the days go by like a strand in the wind, in the web that is
You tell
long.
me, babe.
I
You
begin
tell me.
again. Say to my friend, baby.
Dad, Luce. What are you doing here?
Is that a Capone?
It's a Moran.
Oh.
Well, what's our progress?
Syphilis isn't working fast enough.
Jesus. Syphilis not working fast enough. I'd say gadzooks to that. Well, there's this new thing called AIDS.
There's also
I
this.
think that might work. I'd like to eat some.
Don't eat AIDS, sir. Condoms stop the spread of AIDS.
Well, holy cannoli! How's the world gonna get its population control? What else have we got?
There's this new thing they call it income tax.
Income tax. Well, I'd like to see that. I wonder if it's like TurboTax or H&R Block.
TurboTax can't stop it.
TurboTax can't stop it. Dear Jesus!
Oh, come on! This is madness!
No, this is income tax. The Untouchables are back in business. Get back. Get the truck. Come on. Hey there, Capone. I hope you like your new home. You're gonna be here for a long time.
Oh, I won't be here for long.
Oh, how's that, Al?
I don't know, but you fell off the ladder, a guitar, and a mop.
You don't quit feeding me your Chicago crap. Do you even know why you're in here?
No.
Do you want to know why? Because I'll tell you.
Yes.
Tax evasion.
I'll evade your tax.
You already tried, and we got you deep on it. But if we had it my way, you'd be in here for murder and rape and prostitution.
Africa.
And you know what about Africa? That's where we got the syphilis. And you're gonna go blind and die from that. You know what? Africa. It's coming for you. Come on! Come on! Your time's come!
No! No!
You had enough yet?
Crucify him! Crucify him!
Had enough yet?
Crucify him! Crucify him!
It's time.
Crucify!